All right, now Chinese Premier Li Keqiang today called up his Indian counterpart, new Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and expressed his hope that the two Asian heavyweights would work towards establishing a robust partnership. Modi in turn has expressed keenness to work closely with the Chinese leadership to deal with any outstanding issues in bilateral relations. He welcomed greater economic engagement between the two countries. Strategic Affairs Editor Gaurav Sawant is now joining us with more details. Gaurav, the fact that China had even earlier said that they are willing to work with whoever is chosen by the Indian public as its leader, clearly that is being lived up to by China. They've made a call to Narendra Modi and said that they want better economic ties.
Chinese relationship with Narendra Modi when he was the Gujarat Chief Minister is well known. In fact, many in China argued that Narendra Modi would be better for Sino-Indian relations because he wields more power, he commands more power and respect within the establishment. The fact that Li Keqiang is the first head of state that Narendra Modi spoke to, the first premier Narendra Modi spoke to on telephone, goes on to indicate the kind of importance that India and China attach to each other. Prime Minister Narendra Modi told the Chinese premier that he attaches high priority to Sino-Indian relations. They hope to take it further. This spirit of cooperation that the two countries have, they hope to engage on these lines to take the relationship further. He also invited the Chinese president to visit India later this year, Maha.
Also, Gaurav, there is this vexed boundary issue between the two countries. Now, for the time being, that doesn't seem to be a hindrance between the two sides, if I'm getting it right.
Well, that remains to be seen how India now engages with China on the vexed boundary issue. You've had 17 rounds and more of talks between our National Security Advisor and the Chinese Deputy Foreign Minister on that issue. They are the interlocutors on the boundary issue. Now, India has yet to appoint a National Security Advisor, so that issue would be taken forward by the two interlocutors on the boundary issue. But it's the rest of the relationship that the two countries want to take forward, especially economic ties. Now, Maha, you cover the Foreign Office, so you well know it's quite a tricky issue. While China and India hope to forge closer ties, it's India and Japan. Prime Minister Shinzo Abe of Japan and Narendra Modi are seen as personal friends, and that is one relationship that India will take forward extensively. How does Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the External Affairs Ministry balance the two remains to be seen.
Gaurav Sawant, many thanks for putting that conversation that Li Keqiang had with Narendra Modi into perspective for us.